Day 51 was one of my favorite days to write, simply because it was called semicolon. A semicolon is simply a pause between two main points. It could be also a pause between two main events or a series of events. We all are going to experience those semicolon moments will allow us to stop, reflect, and try to regroup. I can recall as a mom experiencing those semicolon moments with challenging teenage issues, or as a wife, I can recall those semicolon moments dealing with marital challenges and disagreements. But then also as a leader, I can remember those semicolon moments of moving from different state to state. So how you marinate and grow through those semicolon moments will truly be a determination of how you grow, how you learn, as well as how you develop. So I encourage you, don't rush through those semicolon moments. Take the time and pause and reflect so that you can build momentum when the next event or life event happens.